class, it's Sister Mortensen. I haven't been able to do many videos for you this semester, so this is our first one. It's lesson 9, and for this midweek announcement, I wanted to kind of go over your persuasive essay rubric and how I will be grading that. I will post it to the announcement as well so you can read it, and along with the checklist. And the checklist will have everything that you need to make sure that you have ready for your essay. So the first thing I'm going to be looking for is your thesis. Your thesis is really important. It states a clear problem and it takes a position on an argumentative issue. And it's important because you're going to answer a question in your thesis. So if you're still having trouble with your thesis, please send me an email and let me know. And I can let you know if it's going to work or not. The second thing I'm going to be looking for is support. So I need you to support your thesis. You need to give me reasons, examples, facts, case studies, personal experiences, and other types of evidence that support your thesis and your argument. This is really important because it makes your thesis believable and your essay believable. And the other thing that's important in support is that you have to state the opposing argument. So you have to not just mention it, but you have to state it and you have to say why you feel like it's not the right answer to your thesis. So that's very important. The other thing I'm looking for in your persuasive essay is a good introduction and conclusion. So sometimes when we're writing a paper, an essay, it's like building a sandwich. Your introduction is bread, and then you've got all your supporting paragraphs: meat, cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, okay? They're all part of your sandwich. And what completes your sandwich? It wouldn't be a sandwich if you didn't have that other piece of bread, which is your conclusion. So your introduction, your conclusion, they need to be very clear and they're very important. Your conclusion should restate your thesis. Your introduction introduces your thesis. So that's very important. The other 2 or 3 things I'm looking for is focus and organization. Make sure you stick to your topic. Make sure it's well organized. In your introduction, you state your thesis and how you're going to prove that thesis. After that, your paragraph should be proving your thesis, and then your conclusion should be restating, making that sandwich, bringing it all together, full circle, okay? And then the final thing, as always, is grammar, mechanics, formatting, things like that. Now, I know most of you are still learning a lot of grammar and writing techniques, and that's okay. I don't always take off points for certain grammar mistakes because they're part of just learning. And if you proofread your paper and allow a friend or someone at your gathering to help you correct it, then you will avoid a lot of those grammar errors. So just make sure that you proofread and have someone else read it also. And I think that's it. So let me know on the checklist if you have any questions, and I will post the checklist to you today.